Hey guys, in this video, I will show you 5 products from the most popular brands that are the best in the market. The brands and models I listed here have been featured by the most popular review websites, and they have thousands of positive reviews on Amazon.com. In preparing this list, I did a lot of online research so that you find the best and most suitable one for you. So if you want to buy the best one that's worth your money, then don't skip. Watch the full video. Trust me, if you choose from this list, definitely you will buy the best one from the overcrowded market. One more thing, don't forget to check the links in the description. I will see you in the next video.
The DJI Mavic Air is a premium and professional drone that is compact and foldable. It has a 4K camera that can record stunning videos at up to 100 Mbps and a 3-axis gimbal that ensures smooth and stable footage. It also has a 12-megapixel HDR still camera that can capture panoramic and asteroid shots. It has a 2.4 GHz remote controller that has a range of up to 4 kilometers and a smartphone holder that allows you to see live video feed and access various settings and modes. The drone has some features that make it more advanced and powerful, such as obstacle avoidance, active track, quick shot, and smart capture. The drone comes with one battery that can provide up to 21 minutes of flight time and a proprietary charger that can charge one battery at a time. The drone also comes with a small carrying case, 4 propeller guards, and 2 sets of propellers. The DJI Mavic Air is an excellent choice for kids who want a high-end and high-performance drone that can deliver amazing results and experiences. It is easy to fly and has a lot of features that make it more innovative and impressive. However, it is also very expensive and requires a lot of accessories and maintenance. It does not support USB charging, and it does not have a very long battery life or flight time. It is also not very durable or resistant to crashes or water. The Holystone Mini RC drone is a small and lightweight drone that weighs less than 250 grams, which means it does not require FAA registration. It has a 720-pixel HD camera that can capture decent photos and videos, and a 2.4 GHz remote controller that has a range of up to 100 meters. The drone also has some features that make it easy and fun to fly, such as one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, altitude hold, and 3D flips. It comes with 2 batteries that provide up to 10 minutes of flight time each, as well as a USB charger that can charge both batteries simultaneously. The drone also has 4 propeller guards that protect the drone from damage and ensure safety. The Holystone Mini RC drone is a good choice for kids who want a simple and affordable drone that can perform basic functions and stunts. It is easy to control and has a decent camera quality. However, it does not have any advanced features such as GPS, obstacle avoidance, or gesture control, and it is not very stable or durable in windy conditions. It is also not very portable, as it does not fold or come with a carrying case. The DEERC D20 Mini drone is a foldable and portable drone that can fit in your pocket. It has a 1080-pixel front camera that can be adjusted by the remote controller and a 720-pixel bottom camera that can capture more wide-angle views. It also has a Wi-Fi and app control that allows you to see real-time FPV video, share on social media, and use voice and gesture commands. GPS, return to home, circle flying, custom routes, and 3D flipping are some of the features of the drone that make it more intelligent and enjoyable to fly. It comes with 2 batteries that can give you 10 minutes of flight each and a USB charger that can charge one battery at a time. The drone also has an obstacle avoidance system that makes it avoid glass doors, windows, trees, and walls during the flight. The DEERC D20 Mini drone is a great choice for kids who want a smart and versatile drone that can capture high-quality photos and videos and perform various functions and modes. It is easy to fly and has a lot of features that make it more interactive and enjoyable. However, it does not have a very long flight time or range, and it is not very stable or reliable in windy or sunny conditions. It also has some quirks in the app and the obstacle avoidance system that need some improvement. The Syma X21W is a mini drone designed for beginners and hobbyists looking for an affordable, user-friendly option. With a compact size and lightweight design, it can be easily maneuvered indoors or outdoors. This drone comes with a 0.3 megapixel camera that supports first-person view video and photo recording. The flight time of the Syma X21W is around 5 minutes on a single charge, which is pretty short compared to other drones on the market. But the battery is easy to replace and removable, so you can carry extra batteries to extend flight time. The charge time of the battery is about 90 minutes. If you are flying indoors or within a small area, then a control range of 25 meters will be enough. Modes that make it easy and fun to fly the Syma X21W are also included in this drone. It has a headless mode, which means that no matter where it's facing, it will always move according to your controller input. This makes it easier for beginners to fly without worrying about the orientation of the front and back. The hover function allows you to leave the drone in one spot as if there was an invisible wall holding it in place. One key takeoff and landing feature simplifies operation and decreases the chance of crashing into something while taking off or landing. If you want more excitement from your flight, then press the roll button on your transmitter while moving forward or backward stick. The closer you are to the ground when activating flip mode, the faster speeds will be reached during flips. To protect the drone from damage and ensure a safe flying experience, Syma X21W has propeller guards and LED lights. One of the downsides to Syma X21W is that it's not very strong against wind. This is a common problem for small drones since they weigh less than 250 grams. The Sanrock U52 drone is a medium-sized and sturdy drone that is designed for kids and adults. It has a 1080-pixel front camera that can be adjusted by the remote controller and a 720-pixel bottom camera that can capture more wide-angle views. It also has a Wi-Fi and app control that allows you to see real-time FPV video and use voice and gesture commands. The drone has some features that make it more intelligent and fun to fly, such as GPS, return to home, circle fly, custom route, and 3D flip. The drone comes with 2 batteries that can provide up to 10 minutes of flight time each, and a USB charger that can charge 1 battery at a time. The drone also has an obstacle avoidance system that makes it avoid glass doors, windows, trees, and walls during the flight. The Sanrock U52 drone is a great choice for kids who want a smart and versatile drone that can capture high-quality photos and videos and perform various functions and modes. It is easy to fly and has a lot of features that make it more interactive and enjoyable. However, it does not have a very long flight time or range, and it is not very stable or reliable in windy or sunny conditions. It also has some quirks in the app and the obstacle avoidance system that need some improvement.